Hello, everyone. I am Mia Carberry, and I'm here to talk about vitamin B6 deficiency in dogs. Vitamin B6, or pyridoxine, is responsible for many functions. These include assisting in the catabolism of fat and protein, making hemoglobin, which is responsible for carrying oxygen and red blood cells, and maintaining the nervous system. It also plays a vital role in brain development and in making antibodies. With all of these important roles in the body, a deficiency sure sounds like a problem. Some symptoms that result from a deficiency in vitamin B6 are lethargy, an abnormal heart rate, a weakened immune system, disordered sleep, and behavioral changes such as confusion, irritability, and depression. More severe symptoms include mouth ulcers, skin inflammation, and cracked lips. In the long term, it can also affect joint health and eyesight. This is a skin ulcer or a mouth ulcer, and then these are pictures of skin inflammation. Vitamin B6 is an essential vitamin we must get from our diet. Natural sources include meat, poultry, eggs, dairy, and organ meats. All of these are rich in vitamin B6. In the case that a dog in my care presented with a vitamin B6 deficiency, I would mitigate the problem by supplementing the dog's diet with organ meats like beef liver. Liver is lower in fat content than muscle meat and rich in many nutrients. These include B vitamins like vitamin B6, but it also includes vitamin A, vitamin D, iron, folic acid, copper, and zinc. Another option is to give the dog vitamin B6 supplements. Here are my sources, and thank you for listening.